Welcome in this vocab session. It belongs to class 4 English workbook, lesson first, named Up the Mountain to Meet Uncle Alam. Let us participate in it with full concentration. It is of 5 columns. First column involves new words. Second column involves pronunciation of given words. Third column involves Hindi meaning of given words. Fourth column involves English meaning of given words. And last, that is fifth column, involves uses in sentences. That means use of each given word in sentence. Let us enjoy it. First, UP, up. First new word is up. Correct pronunciation is up. Hindi meaning upar. English meaning above or into a higher position. Use in sentence. I need to go up to the mountain to meet Uncle Alam. Now come to second new word, mountain. MOUNTAIN. Correct pronunciation is mountain. It's Hindi meaning parbat. English meaning a very high hill. Use in sentence. I have to go to the mountain. Now come to third new word, that is meet. MEET, meet. Correct pronunciation is meet. Hindi meaning milna. English meaning to come face to face. Use in sentence. I have to meet him. Now come to next new word, Uncle Alam. Uncle Alam. In Hindi it means Chacha Alam. English meaning an uncle named Alam. Use in sentence. Her uncle's name is Alam. Fifth new word is comprised. Its correct pronunciation is comprised. Hindi meaning सम्मिलित. English meaning to include or included. And word used in sentence. She went there with her. Actually, it will be she went there comprised with her. You can write. She went there comprised with her. In this way, you can use this word. Next word, native village. In Hindi, it means मूल गांव या वह गांव जहाँ आपका जन्म हुआ है. इसे जन्म गांव भी कह सकते हैं. In English, original village where one is born. Use in sentence. Siloth is my native village. You can write the name of your own village and make new sentence. Pause. 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 Correct pronunciation is pause. Hindi meaning विराम या रुकना. English meaning rest or an interval. Use in sentence. Being tired, she took a pause. Next word is Alam. 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 Hindi meaning दुनिया या संसार. इसे जगत भी कह सकते हैं. English meaning name of an individual whose meaning is world or universe. Use in sentence. Her uncle's name is Alam. Next word is Hamlet. Correct pronunciation is Hamlet. Hindi meaning एक छोटी गांव. English meaning a small village. Use in sentence. Hamlet is not so far. Next word is dismay. DISMAY, dismay. Hindi meaning हताश या त्रस्त करना. Now, its English meaning to fill with discouragement. And use in sentence, a partition may cause dismay. Next, recluse. Correct pronunciation is recluse. Hindi meaning nirjan. Use in sentence, living. English meaning living in isolation. And use in sentence, Mr. Alam was in recluse. Next word is inquisitive. Correct pronunciation is inquisitive. Hindi meaning jigyasu. English meaning curious. Use in sentence, the girl was inquisitive to learn spoken English. Next new word is conscience. 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 Hindi meaning antahkaran या सद्विवेक. And you can write moral sense of right or wrong or knowing. English meaning moral sense of right or wrong or knowing. Use in sentence, be aware of conscience. Now come to learn more about new words of this lesson. Next, 14th word is curiosity. Correct pronunciation is curiosity. Hindi meaning jigyasa. English meaning inquisitiveness. Use in sentence, he is quite curious to learn spoken English. Next new word is goddard. Pronunciation is goddard. हिंदी मीनिंग बकरों को पालने वाला. इंग्लिश मीनिंग वन हु टेंड्स गोट्स और गोट हर्डर. यूज इन सेंटेंस, ही वाज ए गोट. He was a goatherd buddy or a goat herder. You can write even Uncle Alam was a goatherd buddy. Next word is exhausted. Correct pronunciation is exhausted. Hindi meaning थका हुआ. Use in sentence, English meaning tired. Use in sentence, he was really tired or exhausted. Next word is scampered. Scampered means जल्दी से भागना. Its English meaning to run hastily. And use in sentence, the guilty person scampered. Next 18th word is curtly. Correct pronunciation is curtly. हिंदी meaning संक्षेप में. And English meaning briefly. Use in sentence, she convinced her curtly about how to live life. Next word is whines. Hindi meaning विलाप करना. English meaning to moan. Use in sentence, in the mood of ignorance, people whine. Now come to next word, village folk. Village folk means Gramin Janta. English meaning the residents or inhabitants of a village. Use in sentence, there I saw a village folk crowd. Next word is TOW, toe. हिंदी मीनिंग जल तल से नाव आदि को रस्से से खींचना. English meaning to draw or pull along behind. Use in sentence, the boatman knows how to tow a boat easily and comfortably. Must write it down in your notebook and get checked so that you can understand the coming questions of this chapter very easily and comfortably. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution.